Good morning students, Amanjit here. Today we are going to start the unit 6, time as the most precious gift. So before start this chapter, I just want to remind one thing, that as you know that time is passing very fastly. So please concentrate on your studies and utilize your time in a very proper way. So before start this topic, I just want to we want to discuss some questions related to time. First is, which is more precious, time or money, and why? Yes, of course the answer is time, not money, because you can use your time to make money, but you can't use money to purchase more time. Yes. Second question related to time, I just want to ask you that can a few minutes or few seconds change life? Yes, if we have a positive thinking can change life of any persons, but negative thinking cannot change. So if we have a positive thinking, in a few seconds we can change our life. Yes. Next question is, do you get enough time to do all the work which is provided to you? No, we do not get enough time, as instead of that we have to manage it. If we manage time properly, only then we can utilize it. So we do not have enough time, we have to manage it. So now in your book one wisdom strip is given related to time, that is PT Usha, related to PT Usha. As you know that PT Usha is one of the most important and best athlete, and even she was called Queen of Indian Track and Field. At the 1984 Los Angeles Olympics, what she did, she finished first in the semi-final in the 400-meter hurdle. So she got first, but she narrowly missed a medal in the final. In semi-final she got first rank, but in the semi-final, in the final, she lost his medal, bronze medal, by only a one single second. So time is very precious. Every minute, every second is very important. So she lost the medal because of only a 1 second. Yes. Next, I want to tell you one thing, that take it easy. That word is adopted by every person in a very easy manner. Yes, I want to give you one example related to that. That when your teacher and even your parents tell you that do your work on proper time, or do your this work, that work, just simply you attitude adopted, that is take it easy. This attitude adopted by mostly persons. So what is the reason behind adopting such type of attitude? That I just want to tell you, that 3 reasons behind is that. First, we gain time without any personal effort. Means we are not taking efforts to gain time. Easily we will get time. So that's why we are take it easy. So please utilize time in a proper way instead of adopting the attitude take it easy. Second reason is that we think time is something we get forever. So time is not forever. If it is lost once time, it will not come back. So please in a proper manner utilize it. Now one more famous proverb is written in your book, that is French proverb, all the treasures of earth cannot bring back one lost moment. So this is very famous, as time is more precious than money, because the loss of money can be regained. If money is lost, we can do hard work and regain it, but the loss of time is forever. If once a time is over, we cannot get the time back. So another example I would want to give you. Imagine there is a bank which deposit in your account a money like 86,400 money. If a bank deposit in your account every day, and every evening that cancelled by the bank, then what would you do? Yes, you will use such type of, if every day money is deposited in your bank, you try to use as much as you can, so that you can utilize it. So same way, time is given to, time is a bank of time is given to us, and every morning it give you 86,400 second provided to us, and every night it cancel. whatever you have failed to utilize. So this type of things are given there. This is an example. So please understand the richness of each moment, each second, each time is very precious. So if we utilize, if we manage our time in a proper way, we can get success in our life. Now some time saving tips are there. I will give you time saving tips. So the first tip is allocate your day. Allocate your day. Allocate your day means try to do the proper planning or try to divide the time in a proper way so that you can utilize your work in a better manner. Next is let things be in order. Let things be in order. Clear? So means always try to maintain or try to settle things in order. Whatever needs urgent important, the work which is important, that put on first, and after that second, third, fourth. So try to let things be in order. Third one is develop concentration. Develop concentration, as lack of concentration means wastage of time. So if we concentrate on our work, that saves our time. Next is write things down. As you know that whenever we write something on a paper, that automatically imprint them in our brain, in our memory. So try to write things down in a proper way. Then fifth one is make time. Make time means time can always be made for things in life. If a person who has no time to do any work, means wastage of time, wastage of that person is not able to do anything. So try to utilize time and make time in a proper way. So 5 time saving tips are there which will save your time. Now one story is there related to time, how time is precious, related to that thing. Once upon a time, one person, that person amassed a lot of wealth. He gained lot of wealth and then he decided to rest from the work. After gaining so much wealth, after collecting wealth, he decided to take it rest. So he wanted to lead his life in luxury. So when he decided this one, just when he made this decision to take it rest, what happened? Death came to him. So when death came to him, being a very wealthy person, what he decided? He decided to buy some more time from the death. But death was unmoved. He refused. So what he did, the rich person made one proposal in front of the angel who came to him. He told to him, that angel, that please give me 1 hour of my life. He said to that angel that give me 1 hour of my life. What he want to do that with that hour of life? He want to spend that hour to admire the beauty of the world, which is not used by him, and he want to spend that time with their families, because he did not he have not seen for a long time. So for that purpose he requested, he made request in front of the angel, but the proposal which is presented by that rich person was refused by the angel. Clear? So finally the man asked to the angel, please can you give me 1 minute, 1 second to write one note. He told to the angel that he want to write goodbye. So that proposal was accepted by the angel. So his wish was granted, and what he did, he wrote one note, and in his note what he wrote, Please, time is very precious. Try to save it, spend your time which is given to you in a proper way, and wealth is not important, money is not important. Money you can gain by any efforts, but time which is spent you cannot come to back. So just he said, he wrote a message related to time in his note. So by this story we come to know that time is very precious, valuable, very important, and if it is lost once, we cannot come back, it cannot come back to us. So please students, it's my request that make one timetable, and according to the timetable try to utilize your time on studies, as study is very important and exams are coming soon. So please try to utilize, try to spend your time in studies. Thank you.